think you would ever believe in me. Now I see